Hello everyone, continuing our content about the Google Gemini with Python. In this video I will explain how to generate text from an image. For our example, we will need an API key from Google Gemini. So if you don't know how to generate it, I will leave a card in this video so you can watch the previous video before you continue with this content, okay? Let's get started. Here I've copied some lines from our last example. Basically, we have a pipstal command to remind you. Next, we import the generative AI library. So we set up our API key. And here we list the generative content models available for our API key, okay? Okay, for this example, we will use the Gemini provision model. Let's do it. Model equals GenAI dot generative model. Gemini provision. Sorry. Now we will load our image for testing. For that, from a python.display import image img equals image Okay, let's take a look at our image. Perfect. And to try our model, we will execute a simple command to get a response. Response equals model.generate underscore content. Send the image to parameter. Okay, print the response dot text. Okay, we can see a description returned from Gemini about our image, but we can improve our command by sending an input message or prompt to Gemini. I will load another image, copy this for here. Let's take a look at our image. Okay. Response model dot generate content. What animal is this and what breed is it? Waiting. Okay, print the response dot text. Now we can see a specific description about our image based on our prompt. So that's it. If this video helped you, like it for this content to reach other people, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and enable notification to watch other videos about Google Gemini and other technology as well. Thank you and see you soon.